In my last couple of videos, I've been talking about how things have been getting really good for Shiba Inu. And while it might have seemed to some that things couldn't get any better, they have actually been getting better. Yet Shibarium hasn't been launched. These are exciting times for Shiba Inu, and we'll be talking about all those exciting things in this video. Disclaimer. Starting off with something really exciting, Shiba Inu has scored another listing on a crypto exchange. Now when I said that, your mind probably immediately went to SHIB or maybe even Bone. But this time around, it's Leash that got listed. Crypto.com itself made the announcement yesterday, and this means that over 50 million users on the platform would now be able to trade a Leash/USDT pair. To make things even juicier, this listing is coming after Leash got listed by StealthEX, a Cayman Islands-based cryptocurrency exchange. What these listings tell us is that Leash, which is considered the least popular Shiba Inu cryptocurrency, is really hot right now. And most likely the token is hot because Satoshi recently revealed a new utility for the token, which is supposed to take effect on August 16th. One of the issues that some people had with Leash is that it doesn't seem to be doing anything in the ecosystem. We know that SHIB is the main token and Bone is the gas token for Shibarium, but it's difficult to say exactly what role Leash plays in the ecosystem. So it seems like now that Satoshi has announced that Leash will be getting a more specific role in the ecosystem, exchanges are now more willing to deal with it. Whatever the reason though, the bottom line is that the number of exchanges that have listed every single Shiba Inu token is on the increase, and we'd love to see it. Moving on from that and to SHIB, there is now an unprecedented number of SHIB holders that are willing to hold on to their tokens for a long time. Right now, about 70% of SHIB holders have a long-term perspective with their investment, which means that they have been holding on to their SHIB tokens for a year or more. Meanwhile, at the beginning of the year, the percentage was about 60%. This, more than anything, shows that there is a rising confidence in SHIB's potential future. ETH News writes that, driven by a series of significant updates and project rollouts, such as the native SHIB hardware wallet and the forthcoming Shibarium Layer 2 network, the sentiment among SHIB investors has seen a positive shift. On-chain data further validates this perspective, indicating an additional 3,460 Shiba Inu investors converting into long-term holders just in August. It's not just the regular investors that have been showing increased interest though. Whales have also been showing renewed interest, especially since a launch date for Shibarium was announced. Old whales have been scooping up trillions of SHIB, and new whales have been entering into the market with a bang as well. And altogether, there's been a 600% increase in the trading activity of whales. It looks like nobody wants to be left out of the bullish run that is expected after the launch of Shibarium. With all of these inflows happening, the price of SHIB has thankfully been responding positively. Gone are the days when whales would make their purchases and it would have no impact on the price of SHIB. Right now, the combined effect of whale activities and regular investors' activities has been sending the price of SHIB on a hike, and the price is showing absolutely no signs of slowing down. If you found this really valuable, please drop a comment and share this video with friends. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm, thus helping me to keep increasing the quality of the videos. Meanwhile, developments in the Shiba Inu ecosystem have continued even as we look forward to the launch of Shibarium. Lucy, a popular Shiba Inu marketing strategist, recently posted on Twitter or X that Shiba Inu's Doggy DAO has entered into a strategic partnership with a prominent digital consultation and investment enterprise, and that is Alpha Transform Holdings, or ATH. According to what she wrote, ATH will be serving a kind of advisory role for the Shiba Inu Doggy DAO, providing the DAO with its well of experience. Part of what she wrote is that, as the organization responsible for executing the governance decisions made by the DAO and holding the DAO's assets and treasury, the SHIB Doggy DAO Foundation will benefit from the decades of expertise provided by the ATH partners and industry pioneers Enzo Villani, Michael Turpin, and Seth Shapiro, veteran leaders from Disney, News Corp, and Nasdaq who have previously advised blockchain projects including Ethereum and Tether. Looking at this lineup of big names, it is very obvious to anyone who cares to think about it that the SHIB team is insistent on making the Shiba Inu ecosystem into a successful project. They are always coming up with interesting projects to expand the ecosystem and increase its value. and they are always bringing on experts with wealth of experience to either head the projects or give advice. What's more, you might not have thought too much about it, but coming up with these projects and bringing on people with a lot of experience must cost a lot of money for the dev team. So the fact that they are willing to invest all that money has to mean that they intend for Shiba Inu to not just be around for a long time, but to be very profitable. This must be quite comforting for everyone who owns any amount of SHIB. Anyway, about the ATH partnership, ATH Chief Investment Officer and CEO Enzo Villani has verified the announcement made by Lucy. But before we get into that, this channel has a daily giveaway of 100,000 SHIB. For a chance to participate in the giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave a comment below #ShibaInu. Good luck. Villani mentioned that SHIB continues the incredible trajectory. SHIBARIUM has already seen great momentum, with over 21 million wallets and over 250 smart contracts written to their Layer 2 blockchain testnet. Many brands in entertainment, media, and finance will be interested in engaging with this vibrant community. I believe that this is something that every SHIB holder can't wait to see. And now that SHIBARIUM is very close to being launched, it looks like the wait is almost over. Speaking of the launch of SHIBARIUM, did you know that you can be part of the launch even though you are not currently in Canada? The organizers of the conference have pulled some strings to make it possible for SHIB Army to watch the launch if they are interested. Before the launch, our very own Satoshi Kusama will be giving a presentation that is titled Dear Humanity, an Insider's Perspective. The presentation is supposed to happen at 1410 EDT or 1810 UTC today. But Satoshi will not be delivering it in person. The presentation will be made virtually using AI, which some people called a couple of days ago when we found out that Shiba Inu had entered into a partnership with Bad Idea AI. To be part of the conference virtually, you'll have to go through the CoinMarketCap link that has been posted on the Blockchain Futures Conference Twitter page. Many important people will be there, including the brains behind Cardano and Ethereum, so you could decide to attend the entire conference. But if you would rather not, maybe consider turning in for Satoshi's presentation at least. It might be a good publicity strategy. One last thing before we call it a day here. We've been seeing so many good things happen that Voyager dumping 1.4 trillion SHIB tokens might have gone unnoticed by some. You might remember Voyager as the crypto company that went bankrupt a while back. Unfortunately, the company owned a lot of SHIB tokens and has been selling them off for a while now to try and rescue itself. The 1.4 trillion SHIB jump is just another of those attempts. Thankfully though, this recent dump will be the last, as Voyager now no longer owns any SHIB tokens. They've managed to sell off all the SHIB tokens in their coffers, so we could expect a decrease in selling pressure in the future. Also, we can be grateful for the fact that the recent dump did not do much damage to SHIB's price. The token has been doing so well over the past couple of days that it must have developed a buffer against this unexpected dump. We hope that this good run continues. With that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then please like this video and leave a comment in the comments section. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, please share this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.